tell a story about your really powerful airplane. Is that it?
Yeah.
How fast does it go?
100 miles an hour.
Is that all? It only goes 100 miles an hour?
Yes, it does.
Is that the fastest airplane you've ever built?
Yes, it is.
Huh. And can you have passengers on it?
Yes.
How many passengers?
100 passengers.
Oh, well, that's good. Do you serve food on your airplane?
Yeah, and snacks. And Santa comes on this airplane.
What kind of snacks do you have?
And Santa comes, fishy snacks, and carrots, and potatoes, and Santa lies on this airplane.
Oh my God.
He comes from this, and he walks up to the back of the airplane and says, ho, 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 to all of the kids on board.
Well, that is really nice. Do you have something to drink on the airplane?
Yeah.
What kind of things do you have to
Orange juice, milk, and water.
drink? Oh, that's perfect. That's all anybody needs. Do you have
And strawberries.
cookies, maybe?
Cookies don't give you a lot of vitamins. They only give, what do cookies give you?
Well, they're very high in sugar, which probably isn't particularly nutritious. But would you have rice cakes?
Yes.
Ah.
Peanut butter sandwich too. They have a lot of snacks on this airplane.
Oh, that is so cool. And where do you travel to?
To San Francisco.
Oh. Any other places? Do you go any other places?
Nope.
Oh. Well,
Let's go to
sounds
San
cool.
Francisco.
Well, thank you for telling us the story about your airplane.
And then we go to New Seasons. And one Papa's house, Mommy and Daddy's house, and one big building. And that one that's it. And that one that has a S. And
Did
L.
you and Daddy get wet when you went to New Seasons?
Yeah, we did.
How did that happen?
And little tiny balls came down on the air. And then we got super wet. It was a storm.
Really? Well, that must have been fun. But were you cold?
Yes, we were. Let me go look at all the snow season marks.